info surface. Look at the picture right there in front of you. That picture right there is a boat. And that's the boat that drifting into Micoud. Can you believe that? So the man them, you know, was very, very close to home. And the US drone tracked them, and that's what the boat looked like right there. Now, there's also an interesting thing with this video that I'm showing you. You see, you have a man right there in a white, we call it marina, or a white wife beater. That man right there is Acid. I know it's not a clear picture of him, but this is what we have, and I'm just dropping the information as it comes. So the man Acid come out there and I inspect the thing. I know he must be shocked that the boat, you know, it drift from in the sea over there by St. Vincent, you know, right into Micoud, St. Lucia. Can you believe that? And this is not fiction. Now, there is also something else I want to show all of y'all. It out there in the water, upon the water, the United States military or government or whoever from the US, they have some tracking device placed strategically, and I want you all to take a look at this tracking device. There you go, and that's the tracking device. So once again, I'm warning these young men out there, be careful on the water, because you see what Mr. Trump is doing. Now, as for this situation with Acid and the youth with the boat, it's very unfortunate, because what it does right now, it causes fear amongst the fishermen, and people are talking that Acid, you know, he is kind of greedy in terms of money. He's not no gunman or not like that, but him not play for send out the man them. And like I said before, here he's a decent guy, but you know, him dibble dabble. As for this, as the updates them come in, I'm gonna drop the video. It's very unfortunate that these two young men lose them life in such a, how can I put it, a vivid, it's a vivid, quick obliteration. You know, it better than all the gangsters in Jamaica and Trinidad and St. Lucia put together. Everybody, when it lick you, when them gun they lick you, you disintegrate. So you don't even know what hit you. You just like disappear. And that's the kind of war power and weapons they're using on people. So be very careful out there, guys. If I was anyone I don't know, I would stop doing it. And I hope this scare you all into back off of the water and stop dibble dabble with the baby powder for now, yo. That's all I can say. Very scary, very sad, very vivid. It makes you wonder who is God in these place and time. Listen, my name is Countryman.